Okay, so hello. Do you want to make a smoke display? Well, then you're in luck. Watch this video and you'll know how to do it at the end. It's only a small one though, but if you want to make a bigger one, then just get a much larger candle. Anyway, so there's just one thing that I have to tell you. It's that, actually two, you have to be careful because your parents might not want you to do this. And so ask your parents. So we tried this a couple of times and we learned something new. There has to be enough space for the candle to smoke. We tried it on another candle which didn't have enough space to flame. Anyway, so the things you need today is a lighter, a candle, or a coaster, and a candle top.
It could be too big or it can be too small, just so you know. Because this is way too big for the candle.
It's a cap for a different candle that we have.
It'll do.
Yeah, just as long as it blocks the candle from breathing oxygen. So step one, light the candle. It's kind of hard to see, but step two, put the top on. Definitely don't burn yourself. Well, candles need oxygen, so the flame will die because it doesn't have any oxygen. At least it doesn't have enough.
There will be a bunch of smoke brewing inside, and then let go.
And there will be a bunch of smoke. The camera's a little weird, but yeah, it's a lot of smoke. One more time. Light it, put the top on. Let it smoke for just a couple seconds, and then take it off. Smoke. Don't cough on it though. It doesn't feel good, trust me. So now you have something to tell your friends.
Wait, another way?
Do it.
So when you blow in the candle, it makes less smoke than before. So, yeah. There's just a little bit of smoke when you blow in it. See?
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something today.